Welcome to Gen.AI, the all-in-one AI platform for creating voices, images, and videos effortlessly. Whether you're a marketer, content creator, or educator, Gen.AI simplifies content creation, saving you time and boosting your productivity. All from one seamless platform. With Gen.AI, creating anything is incredibly easy. Simply describe what you want to create. Choose from a variety of models, each with unique features, and click Generate. You can scale your projects effortlessly with our Excel integration, where each row becomes a separate record. Turn entire books into audiobooks by simply uploading a PDF. Clone your voice with just 1 minute of audio. The result is like the voice you are hearing now, since this is a clone created from a recording in Spanish. All your results are neatly organized by type in my audios, my images, and my videos. Or you can use the right sidebar to see everything together, voices, images, and videos as they are created. You can generate text-rich images using specialized models like ideogram or highly realistic visuals with Flux. You can also edit your images seamlessly, just by writing what you want to change. Here is a banner we created with just one prompt, and here is a hyper-realistic image of children in a lab, and we added mustaches without any manual editing. In addition, you can create videos by simply selecting an image and describing what you want it to do, for example, adding camera movement. As we see here, the result is highly realistic. This is just a first attempt, but you can always refine it with additional tries. Try Gen.AI today with free credits and see what you can create in minutes.